Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. This video you see over here is a dashcam footage shared by my friend on his way to work. As you guys can see, he's on the right lane, following the speed limit, following traffic rules, and that's exactly when this blithering idiot on a scooter decides to come on the opposite direction on the fast lane. Watching this footage again, it's really scary to think that if the bus person had been a little bit to the right, or if my friend had not been that alert, this could have been curtains for the scooter fellow and he would just end up in a column on a newspaper. This video proves two important things, two very important things. One, the importance of a dash camera, and two, even if you are just following the speed limit and driving regularly and normally on the highway, you do need to be extremely alert with idiots like this two-wheeler fellow. More importantly, if there had been an accident, the dashcam footage would have been the one to prove my friend's innocence, showing that he was driving on the right side of the lane and the entire fault was on the scooter person. And that, guys, I think is the point of me making this video. The importance of dash cameras. Yes, they are a bit pricey, but they repay the investment the first time you need to use the footage to prove your innocence or just show it to your insurance company to show that you are not at fault. So guys, I'm definitely buying a dash camera after seeing this footage and I hope you guys do as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.